Hello friends, today I am talking about Rheem tankless water heater. No hot water, what to do? Step 1. Examine water supply. Check water supply valve. Locate the water supply valve connected to the heater. Ensure that it is fully open. Inspect for blockages. Look for any visible obstruction in the pipes leading to the heater. If you suspect a clog, consider flushing the system or contacting a plumber. Step 2. Inspect the heating element or burner. Clean heating elements or burner. Turn off the power or gas supply to the unit. Remove any covers as per manufacturer guidelines. Clean the heating elements or burner from any debris or buildup. Check for damage. Inspect elements and burners for signs of wear or damage. Replace any damaged components as necessary. Step 3. Verify temperature setting. Check temperature setting. Access the control panel on your unit. Ensure that the temperature is set between 120 F and 140 F for optimal performance. Adjust if necessary. If the setting is too low, increase it and wait a few minutes to see if hot water is restored. Step 4. Apply heat to the water heater. Tent the water heater. Create a tent around your water heater using blankets or traps to trap heat. Ensure that the tent is secure and insulated to keep warmth inside. Use a heat source. Apply gentle heat using an electric heater or a blow dryer directed at the water heater. If possible, remove the front panel of the heater to expedite the thawing process. Step 5. Inspect flame sensor. If the burner ignites but shuts off quickly, inspect the flame sensor. Clean the sensor gently or replace it if necessary. Step 6. Check the recirculation system. If your unit has a recirculation pump, ensure it is functioning properly. Listen for unusual noises or check for leaks in the system. Fix 7. Seek professional help. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be time to consult a professional plumber or a ream service technician for further diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe.